Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are taking a close look at one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of the near future, the 2026 Genesis GV90. Genesis has already made a name for itself with a lineup that delivers premium design and performance at a competitive price. But the GV90, it takes everything a step further. Let's start with the first thing you'll notice, the exterior. The GV90 is big, bold, and undeniably elegant. It carries Genesis's signature crest grille and twin-line LED lighting, but everything is scaled up to give it that commanding presence on the road. The silhouette is sleek for a full-size SUV, with a coupe-like roofline, plush door handles, and an aerodynamic profile. Genesis really leans into its luxury roots with smooth panel integration and bold 30-inch alloy wheels that come standard on higher trims. Stepping inside, the GV90 offers a cabin that's more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV interior. The materials are absolutely top tier. We are talking Nappa leather, natural wood inlays, and aluminum trim with mood lighting integrated subtly throughout. There's a massive OLED curved display that stretches across the dashboard, serving as both the gauge cluster and infotainment screen. It's intuitive, fast, and beautiful to look at. Rear passengers get their own entertainment screens, reclining seats, and even massage functions in some trips. And yes, there's a third row, though it's more suitable for kids or short trips. Under the hood, Genesis offers multiple powertrains for the GV90. The base model is expected to come with a twin-turbo V6 delivering around 375 horsepower, which is plenty for everyday driving. But the real highlight will likely be the all-electric variant. Genesis is leaning heavily into EVs, and early reports suggest the GV90 electric version will deliver up to 500 horsepower with an estimated range of around 300 to 350 miles on a full charge. It's built on the Hyundai Group's EGMP platform, so you can expect ultra-fast charging capabilities from 10 to 80% in under 20 minutes at the right station. Ride quality is another standout feature. With adaptive air suspension, the GV90 glides over bumps and road imperfections. It's really quiet and comes back with all the latest driver assist tech, including hands-free highway driving, automatic lane change, and a 3D surround view camera for easy parking. Now let's talk pricing. Genesis has always undercut the competition, and the GV90 continues that trend. The expected starting price is around $85,000, with high-end trims, especially the electric model, pushing into the $100,000 to $110,000 range. That's still thousands less than comparable models from Mercedes, BMW, or Audi, making the GV90 a serious value in the luxury full-size SUV space. So, whether you are after cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping design, or a quiet and comfortable ride, the 2026 Genesis GV90 is shaping up to be a game-changer. If you are in the market for a top-tier SUV that doesn't just follow the leaders but challenges them, this one's definitely worth a test drive.